Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. So, long story short, we just got back from Minnesota a day or so ago, and for my keen subscribers, the regulars, if you notice, there has been one of our iconic bikes is missing from the shop here, and that would be my 1955 BMW R50, the very rare first year imported model of the R50 to the United States. So, if you remember, we took it over to Scotties Workshop to have some stuff done to it because I plan on selling that motorcycle. $3,700 later, I had them put new spokes on it, change some of the hardware, some of the brake linkage stuff, new tires, new oil pan gasket, and a stainless steel hardware kit for the miscellaneous stuff, which included a drain bolt. So we get the bike back, took it for a ride, probably put somewhere in the neighborhood of 15 to 20 miles on it. I can't remember exactly, but short jaunts, and all of a sudden it started running very badly, making a noise that was catastrophic. Pulled the bike over, got it shut off before anything major happened, thankfully. And yeah, they forgot to put oil in my motorcycle after they did all that work to it. Now, I have a motorcycle shop. I'm going to tell you, everybody makes mistakes. Everybody does. I worked in the dealership world for 10 years, and you know, I've seen some stuff happen. I don't necessarily judge a company or a shop on a mistake. Mistakes are going to happen. It's how you handle the mistake that makes the difference between a good company or not and somebody I would use again and not. So I took the bike back right away over to Scotty and showed them what happened, told them what happened. They owned up to it right away, which was super cool. I didn't have to argue with them, but there was not much arguing. At first, did say, oh, well, we didn't take the oil out, but then I simply just showed them the new drain bolt and the new pan gasket. They had to have taken the oil out. They also, on my bill, there was no charge for oil going in, so clear sign that didn't happen. So like I said, things happen. I left the bike there, and they said, we're going to make it right. So that was about 3 weeks ago. I got a call yesterday, I think it was. Yeah, yesterday from Scotty saying, oh, your bike's done. I said, cool. What'd you do to it? And he said that they had to replace one piston, not two, but just one. And I think he said he honed the cylinders. I was kind of busy and preoccupied, so I didn't get to dig too much in. I'm really curious to see what they did. Like I said, I did get the bike shut off pretty quick, so it didn't seize or anything like that. I don't know how I feel yet about them only replacing one piston, though. I don't know. Let's go take a ride over to Santa Clara again for like the 5th time. To go to Scotty's shop and see what's going on. Man, just kind of an unfortunate situation. I was really hoping to have the bike up for sale at the exact time of the Mecum auction, but that's coming past by a week, so we'll figure it out. Well, here she is, all back together. I wonder if that little spot right there is from my bike or what, because it shouldn't be leaking. Alright guys, we got her home. Unfortunately it's pretty wet out still, so I don't think we're gonna ride it today, but let's get her unloaded at least. I wanted to look and see. I don't see any oil drips underneath it from the ride home. Maybe just a couple from the breather. But yeah, I just want to make sure She wasn't leaking. Alright guys, got the R50 unloaded. Let's have a look-see. So, overall, it looks pretty good. Yeah, everything seems to be working as it should. We fired it up when we were at the shop, and it started on the second kick, so that's good. And it sounds decent. Let's turn the gas on. These carbs you gotta give a little tickle to, a little push down there. But yeah, we'll see if it'll fire up like it did at the shop real easy. Oh, first kick. Not too bad. But the motor sounds pretty good. Helps big time that it has oil. Alright guys, I wanted to show you this bad boy. So this is the piston that came out of it that was bad. And you can see it's got a little bit of scarring here. Nothing too deep, thankfully. Like I said, I got it shut off really quick, so that definitely helped. It definitely helped. Alright guys, so it seems like it's running really good. Like I said before, mistakes are going to happen. Everybody makes them. It's kind of how you handle the situation. And they did step up and fix the bike. Put it, honed out the cylinders, put a new piston in it, went through all that. So, they took care of it. That's really all you can ask for. I did want to set the speedometer back to 0, but they wanted $500 to do that, and I feel like I've given them enough money, so maybe we'll do that ourselves. Maybe we won't. But yeah, I'm not gonna pay $500 more after the $3,700. I just really wanted my bike back, and so we can move forward and get it sold and get other projects done. We got the Bull Taco going back on the lift tonight, and we're gonna get some more stuff done on that. But we're supposed to get a few more days of rain, and I don't definitely am not gonna take it out in the rain. But as soon as it stops raining and the roads are dry, we're going to go out and put some miles on it, because I just want to make sure everything's good, Nice little shakedown, make sure there's no other issues that pop up. When I sell stuff, I like it to be perfect. That way there's no questions. Also, we need to do a full detail and some touch-up paint work on this, so that should be really interesting and painstaking. A little bit of polishing here and there. Nothing... On these old Beamers, guys don't like them all blinged out, so I have to refrain from polishing too much, but we'll get it done. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.